Hello and welcome back to Endorphin Empire. This is the channel where we chase peaks, we punch fatigue in the face and earn every single view with muddy trainers, wet socks, a smile on our face, all to chase that endorphin high. And today we are at the very well known, the very famous Teesside wonder, Roseberry Topping. Let's get into it. At just 320 metres tall, this isn't the biggest hill or climb in Yorkshire, not by any stretch, but it does pack a punch and it is iconic. You will all agree, I'm sure lots of you have been up here many a time. Locals might call it the Yorkshire Matterhorn, who knows, but all I know it as is Roseberry Topping. You can see it from all over Teesside and I love running up here, love getting to here. There's so many routes to get here. We're going for a direct route up it today. One that lots of you will be very familiar with. Now obviously it's a stunning looking mountain. There's plenty of footage I've got today to show you that. And there is a bit of a twist though. It didn't always look like this. Its iconic shape is a little bit due to the fact that under these hills around here, there is a stone called ironstone, and we use that to make steel. Teesside thrived off that steel in the 1800s and 1900s. That mining process caused some weaknesses within Roseberry Topping, and around 1912, boom, there was a massive landslide and it created the jagged peak which we have today, and that's what we are left. But the history here goes way back, even further than that. Think Saxons, think Vikings, think even Captain Cook himself. He would have grew up in Great Ayton just down the road. He would have walked up here gazing out over towards the North Sea, dreaming of exploring the world, and safe to say it worked out for him. Now the route I'm taking up today, it's short, it's steep and it's spicy, perfect for a burst of endorphins. Whether you're running it, you're hiking it, you're dragging your dog along for the ride, this one is a crowd pleaser. If I was to bring anyone to Teesside, this is one of the places you're going to want to take them. You get stunning views over the valley below, and on a day like today you can see why someone would come here. Come sunset, come sunrise, any time of the day, the views across the Cleveland Plain are next level. So whether you're chasing PBs, peace or quiet, a bit of a challenge, or just trying to burn off, I don't know, the last slice of carrot cake you've eaten, this is the place for you. It's a hill with history, drama, and enough elevation to leave your legs and your lungs feeling alive today. I love this. I love how completely quiet it is. It's barely anyone. Just the birds and me. And I'm sure there's going to be a lot of people at the top of this looking for sunset, but there is still a little moment of solitude down here. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. It means a bunch to me. I really would appreciate it. And drop a comment if you've got a favourite North Yorkshire climb that you could maybe recommend to me, or a relatively local climb I could do. And this is Endorphin Empire. Remember, one pizza won't make you fat, one activity is not going to make you fit. You get out there, we've just topped Roseberry. See you next time.